Hey guys, it is currently 5:45. Why the hell am I awake right now? So I'm going to the gym with my sister and my mum. Why? I'm literally in my dressing gown wearing fluffy socks and trackies. Like, do I want to get changed? No. I'm gonna have to listen to some like serious pump up jams in the car because I'm like dead. But hello everybody, welcome to the vlog. Now I'm back home and I am going to go to sleep. Actually, I'm not going to be able to get to sleep. I'm one of those people who just cannot nap for the life of them. I have to either be really, really hungover or like really sick to be able to sleep. Also, does anyone watch Anne with an E? Because I'm obsessed with Gilbert Blythe, which is like, I feel like a bit of a pedo because he's 17 and I'm 20, but like, he's cute. Oh my god, I felt like the biggest dickhead at the gym. Like, I had no idea what I was doing. I was like not even running when I was on the treadmill because I was like, oh my god, I don't even know how to run. Okay, this is me editing the video and I just cannot get over how ugly I look in this clip. I look like shit. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm just gonna like watch my show and relax for a little bit until maybe 8:30 and then get up and start the rest of my day. I'm feeling so productive. I'm really glad I went. There was a split second where I was like, no, I'm not going, but I went and I'm glad. Okay, all I could think about when I was like relaxing was avocado toast. Hey. And I'm so excited to make it. This is perfect. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited to eat this. Brody! Brody, make an appearance. Move your butthole. Hello. Me and Brody have actually been getting along lately, haven't we? Since I was drunk and I hugged Brody that one time, we've just like connected. Okay, so I was just in the middle of Oh, cute. You're so cute. I was just in the middle of filming a haul. I'm doing like a different style haul where I like try it on in the video, if that makes any sense. You guys will see. It might actually it's probably going to be up before this vlog anyway, so I'll leave it in the description. But I had to take a brief intermission because we're going to Southland. I'm having issues with my card, so I have no money because I have like transferred all of it into a new account with a new bank, but it hasn't gone through to that bank and my new card with the new bank hasn't come. So like I'm in this weird like limbo. What's up? I'm in Maddie's new beauty room. How sick is this? She literally did it all herself in like 3 days or so. How cool. Oh, that's all my stuff. Don't mind that. That's just the haul. But like, oh my god, what a queen. Look at this. She tried to do it like Greek themed. It looks so freaking good. Grecian. Also, maybe I'll do an outfit of the day while I'm in here. So, this necklace is from Zaful. It's so cute. This top, actually this lighting is really bad. This top is from Glassons. It was $15 and it's gonna be in the haul, so. Can you ladies shut up? Yeah, this is gonna be in the haul. How cute is it? This is like my favorite style of top with the little wraparound, plus it's my favorite color. And these jeans, quite a few of you guys were asking where these jeans are from. They're from Dish Boutique. I'll leave them in the description box if I can find them. And then this belt from Glassons and just these green fluffy slides, which doesn't really go with the outfit, but you can't really tell that they're green. So
yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa,
whoa, whoa, whoa.
Ow, ow. Psycho. Oh, you did not.
Okay. Oh wow, girls. Let's settle down, please. Okay, yeah, we're about to go to Southland.
Ow, stop. This is Psycho woman.
It's such a sunny.
Yeah.
It's such a sunny day.
Annie!
Oh my god, Charlotte. Okay, yeah, it's sunny today. Cool. No one cares. Okay. Let's go. Look at all of these candles in my favorite color. This one smells amazing. It's Sweet Rock Melon. So nice. Really want this candle, but it's outdoor to keep the mozzies out. How freaking cute. So freaking cute. Look at these cushions. I feel like they look like intestines. Okay, we're home now and I just finished filming. Yeah, we're home now. Mum bought me these cutest sheets ever from Adairs and I'm gonna be so happy to get rid of these sheets. Look at how cute they are. It's literally like a quilted like palm leaf type print. How freaking cute. I'm so excited to actually have like good quality sheets. But yeah, now I have to get changed, get some food, and then get ready for work and go to work in like 20 minutes. So wish me luck. Hey guys, so it's obviously the next day. It's like 3:30 right now and all day I've been doing like procrastinating. Like that's literally all I've done. I did wash my hair and straighten it, so that's productive. Right now I need to clean my room so badly. Like it's a joke. Like it's not, what am I talking about? Like look at this. To be fair, actually there's no to be fair really with this, but this is all stuff that I was doing with my haul yesterday and I didn't put it away, so we definitely have to do that. Also I painted my nails today because at least I have to have one thing in my life sorted at the moment. And I want to change my sheets. Don't even talk about my pillow. That's fake tan stains. It's not like dribble or poo. I don't know what you might think it would be, but it's just fake tan stains, okay? And I don't know if you can even wash pillows. I'll just have to get new ones because that's just revolting. But yeah, I want to change my sheets to these ones that I got yesterday. So now I have to freaking clean my room and change my sheets, and I want to go for a walk because today was actually really pretty outside and all I've done is sit inside, so I kind of want to go for a walk, but Brody's not here and I don't like being alone. So okay, we're all done, all clean. Really, I just put it all over here. I'm just like way too good at doing nothing. Yeah, it's like 5:35 and I started cleaning my room 3:35. I literally, I don't know what I was doing. Oh, I changed my bed sheets. That's what I did. There we go. How cute is it? Got the yellow pillow that I got from IKEA on there. This is all my stuff for Lexi's house because I have to leave in 15 minutes. But yeah, now I have to get my makeup all together and go to Lexi's house and then we're gonna get ready together. She's gonna make us some raspberry mojitos and there's jelly shots. Like I'm just very, very excited. So okay, so it's the next day and I have this like proper setup. I've got you on my tripod and I've got this ugly makeup. Look how ugly this makeup is. Like I literally look like I have pink eye. I thought that I would do. I literally just got this package in the mail. It's from Pretty Little Thing. Lately I've actually been like having a sick obsession with Pretty Little Thing. Like I really need to stop because I'm going to Bali with my friends in November. So really, I need to not buy clothes. Actually, in my defense, I haven't bought clothes in like 2 weeks. So let's open her up. I'm actually really excited about this. When I got it, I was like, this is so something that I would just like never really get. So I should get it. I like doing that sometimes. Just buying stuff that I wouldn't. What the hell? Whose arm is gonna fit in that? Okay. The back of this is actually like a thong. I'm gonna look like a monkey. Imagine if I wore this without shorts on. I would actually look like an ape. But yeah, it's actually really cute. I feel like this would just look really good with jeans or shorts or something. It's just so simple. Then I got this simple like bandeau top. I'm trying to think of why I bought this. Actually no, this would look really good with like white pants or just like really high-waisted jeans or shorts. Should I try all this stuff on? Maybe I should show you. And then last I got these dungarees or dungarees stuff. I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. It looks like an apron right now. Oh my god, this is cute! Okay, excited. But anyway, it's just these like little dungarees. It kind of looks like a apron, but like really cute, and it's got shorts. The shorts actually look really cute. I got this in a size 6 because I wanted it to not be baggy, like I just did a poo in my pants. Okay, I'm gonna try this stuff on because I actually want to see what it looks like, and I'm sure you guys do too. Okay. Okay, this one is definitely this one's definitely a bit too much. This would look good like under those overalls. Okay, maybe I'll try those on next, because like this on its own, what was I thinking, honestly? Okay, this is the like overall thing. Like that tie up top, hard pass, like that, no. I don't know why I thought that, no, it just like, even with this, like I had to take it off, it was too much. But yeah, I actually really like this, like with a long sleeve top or something, or just a t-shirt or like a bralette or something. This is really cute. I like the color too. Okay, this is definitely the cutest and my favorite thing that I got. I love this. I can't believe I was so hesitant to buy this. Like, this is so simple and cute. Now I'm gonna freaking take this ugly eyeshadow off, and I might actually go for a walk. I don't know. I just want to be productive, but I can't be productive until I take this eyeshadow off because I just hate it. Okay, so I just went downstairs and washed the dishes, and I took off my eyeshadow, and I did a little bit of a clean up of my room, just putting clothes away and stuff. And I think I'm gonna go for a walk now. It's actually really cold outside, but I feel like I could really like use some nice cold crisp air. Brody. Sit. Sit. Oh my god. Brody. Sit. I am just feeling that weird lately. So as you guys would know, me and my boyfriend broke up like almost 3 weeks ago, and we had been together for almost 3 years. So that was like really intense. And basically, in a nutshell, the reason that we broke up was because I just felt like I was trying to make him really, really happy, so much that I wasn't making myself happy, blah, 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 all that stuff. So I kind of just wanted to be on my own, especially because I didn't know what it was like being single for such a long time, because I was with him when I was 16 in high school, and now I'm 20 and I'm not in high school anymore. Hey! And for the first few weeks, like literally until like yesterday, I was just like trying to fast track me being on my own by like being obsessed with boys, and like obsessing over going out every weekend and hanging with my girls and getting drunk, just like, I don't know, doing all this stuff that I thought that I missed out on when I was in a relationship. Oh my god, look at you. Oh my god, actually having the time of his life. What the hell, Brody? Okay, now I'm just gonna relax. So I'm gonna swing on the swings and just think about life. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I am so full of cold. I don't know where this came from, but I thought I might just end the vlog here. Sorry that this has been like a really boring vlog. I don't even remember what I even filmed. So I wanted to ask you guys, if you have any video ideas, please leave them in the description box. Please comment them down below, because I will be organizing a bunch of videos. I've already got a ton of ideas, but I just really want to incorporate you guys in my channel. So if you have any ideas, please leave them down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Sorry again if it was boring, and I'll see you guys very, very soon with a new one. Okay, thanks guys, see ya.